Hey everyone, welcome back to WellPurse TV channel. In today's video, we're diving into something everyone has been buzzing about, the world of remote data entry associate. So grab your favorite snack, sit back, and let's jump right into it. Right now, right here, we will be looking at a company called Conduent. Conduent is currently hiring data entry associates. So sit tight and watch to the very end as we explore the job page and application process together. All right, my lovelies. We are right now on the career page of Conduent, and this is where the job is currently listed. As usual, yours truly will have this link on my comment section and also on the description page, such that if you are interested in this job in any ways, you can click on the links and it brings you directly to this page. And this is where you're going to be, applying for this job. This is data entry associate job, and this is remote. Okay, they pay $14 per hour, and they also have great benefits. It says shift training, first 6 weeks. So you're going to be trained. First 6 weeks will be Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Schedules available after training. So once you've gone through the training phase, you can then, see the schedules that are available. And they have Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Monday to Friday, they also have the afternoon, which is 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. Overtime and some Saturdays are also required. And this Conduent is currently hiring for data entry associate positions. The requirement is just this. You must be able to complete typing tests and pass score of 45 word per minute. Okay? WPM word per minute. Must be at least 18 years of age or older. Must have a high school diploma or general education degree. Must be eligible to work in the United States. So even if it's remote, you're working from your home, you still need to be eligible to work in the United States. Must be able to clear any necessary criminal background checks or drug screening. Benefit: you have a career growth, you have full benefit option, you have great work environment, and you work from home, which is most importantly. All right, if this interests you in any ways, they also have like another opening for if you want to work in from the location. You can, feel free and explore. You can look it up and see. They have a lot of other positions, but this right here is for the data entry associate, and this is remote. And it's very important, guys, do not fall for scams. Do not apply on most of those other websites that you can't see the name of the company. Look here. All right, you want to confirm that. So if this is something you are interested in, you click on apply now, and it takes you to the step-by-step page where it prompts you on how to apply. All right, it brings you here. You want to put in your first name, last name, email, phone number, country. If wherever country you are in, look at that. You have all the options, the state, city, address. Yes, agree, and I would like to be contacted. If you would like, if you don't want, you don't have to check this. And this is not mandatory, but the ones with asterisks, of course, they're mandatory because you need to agree to the terms of use and privacy, policy. And then you click on this. This walks you through the step-by-step process, and you submit your application. Remember, you can't stand a chance of getting hired without starting this preliminary step of applying. Application first and then getting hired second. And I do want all the sweet, successful testimonies of any one of you that have been trying out any of this. And if it's worked for you in any ways, feel free to leave it in the comment section. I will be praying for you. And look, you also have option here, upload resume. Okay, that's it, lovelies. Give it a shot and let me know if you have any questions on the comment section. So, my lovelies, if you find any value in today's video, do not forget to support your girl by hitting the like button, like this video for the algorithm, and make sure you subscribe to Wellport TV. Of course, with your support, we are growing, and I love you all. Thank you for all you do, and stay safe. I'll see you in my next video.